Okay, guys, good evening. I hope you guys enjoyed the last series of tutorials I did, tutorial videos I did on MT4 to teach you guys how to use the MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, so I'm going to continue in that series. We just have a few more things to discuss about this application. Now, I think I've been able to do the introductory parts of how to use MetaTrader 4, and the others maybe on the management side of it, how to manage your trade on MT4. Okay, so what the video I'm going to do this evening will teach you how to manage your trade. If you have an existing trade running, how do you manage the trade? That is the lesson of today. That's the video I'm going to do today to teach you guys how to manage your trade if you are using MT4 trading platform on your laptop. How do you manage an existing trade that is running? That is the topic I want us to treat today. Okay, so guys, if you look at this setup here, if you look at this trade setup here, guys, this was a trade signal that I released this morning. Okay, I told us to buy Great British Pound, Swiss franc. Okay, and this was where I took that trade. This was the price level that I asked us to enter the trade, or that I entered this particular one. Some of you may have entered at different price levels, okay? But whatever is the case, you guys should be in very good profit by now, okay? So, guys, what do you do here? There are several things you could do here to manage your trade. Number one, now let's click this button here to go to the terminal window. So, when you go to the terminal window, you see the position of your trade. You will see the current profit position, you see your swap, you see your commission, you see your take profit, your stop loss, you see the price that you enter this trade. You see the currency pair you're trading, you see the lot size that you implemented, and you see the trade direction, okay? And you see the time that you enter this trade. So guys, these are all the information you can get on the on the terminal window, okay? So now, one strategy I want to teach us in this section, in this tutorial video, is how to take partial profit. Number one, how to take partial profit, okay? How to trade your stop loss, okay? If your trade has entered into huge profit position, how to move your stop loss to break even, or how to reduce your stop loss, or how to reduce your risk in the trade, okay? So these are the things I'm going to teach you guys today. Now, the first one is how to take partial profit. All right. First of all, you have to take partial profit first. So when I say take partial profit, what that means is that you should take out a reasonable some, maybe 50% of your trade position. So if you take out 50% of a trade position, your loss size now should be 0.025 instead of 0.05. Okay? So that's what it means. So how do you do that? How do you achieve that? What you do is that you come to this, your terminal window. Let me close this and go back again. You come to your terminal window, okay? There you see that the trade is highlighted. You highlight the trade you want to take partial profit on. Then you right click and select modify or delete order, okay? Modify or delete order. So when you come to this window, this modify window, you come to your this type field, you select it, you click it and select market execution, okay? Select market execution. So when you come here, you'll now be able to what? You'll now be able to change this your stop loss, sorry, your loss size. You will now be able to change this your loss size to 0.025. You now change this your loss size to 0.025. That is to say, you want to take out 50% of your profit away from this trade. Okay? 50% of your profit away from this. Remind you, this is where your take profit is. Okay? And this is where your, sorry, this is where uh, now, sorry, 1 minute. This is where the market, the trade is now. And this is your take profit. So you have achieved over 50% of your trade direction. Is that clear? You have you've achieved over 50% of your take profit target. So what that means is that you should take away some portion of your trade, okay, and trade your stop loss, okay, behind your what? Behind your entry price, or you move it to break even. All right. I'm going to teach you all that. So now, what we want to do now is to take partial. How do you take partial profit? You come to this window. I've shown you how to arrive to this, to come to this window. All right. So what you do here is that you want to take out 50% of your loss size of your trade position. So what that means is that you reduce your loss size to 0.025. So here you change 0.05 to 0.025, okay? You change it to 0.024. What that means is that you're taking out 50% of your current profit, okay? You leave every other field the same thing, the same way. Then you come to click what? You come to click close this portion of your trade. You want to close 0.03 portion of your trade because the trade cannot take you half like that, okay? So you have to like approximate this. You have to like approximate 0.025 to 0.03. That is what. So when you click close this particular trade by this portion, it means that it will take out about 50% of this your current profit and leave the other to run, okay? So you just hit close. So it has taken out some of your profit. So you have booked some profit and you have let the other run. The reason why this is very important is this. So that should this trade start pulling back, you will not give back to the market the profit you've already made. That's why it's good to take partial profits. Take partial profit when the market has entered reasonably into your take profit target. You take what? You take out half of your trade position and leave the other half to run. So look at what we did now. We have taken out some portion of the trade and we've left 0.03 to run. So we have taken out 0.02 and we've left 0.0 what? 0.03. Okay? Now, it depends what you want. Okay? I know that this market may start pulling back at some point, but if it closes above this 200 moving average, the chances are that it's going to continue to go to the upside, okay? So guys, so we've taken a portion of the trade. We've taken a portion of our profit. We've taken partial profit. So the next thing you do after taking partial profit is to move your stop loss. So the way to move your stop loss is this. You come to your application, this MetaTrader 4. This your take profit, this your take profit, sorry, your stop loss line. You see this line here is your stop loss. If you look at it, you see it is SL. This is your stop loss. Then here is your what? Is your entry. This is your entry price. Okay, guys, let me check if this video is still recording, please. Let me check if this, okay, the video is still recording. Okay, fine. So this is your what? This is your stop loss. This is your entry price. So what we want to do now, we want to reduce this stop loss and move it to break even. That is, we move it at the entry price or slightly above the entry price. Okay, slightly above the entry price because when you were entering this trade, you paid some commission. Look at the commission you paid. So for you to be at break even, you must move it slightly above the entry price for you to be at break even. So to do that is that you left click on this stop loss line, left click on it and drag the line, drag it above the entry price, slightly above the entry price here. Okay, this way you've been able to move your stop to break even. Okay, so this is how you move your stop loss to break even. Okay, so now you can now see that you've taken away risk completely from this trade. You've taken away risk completely away from this trade. So even if this market pulls back to this level here, it will just take you out. It will just take you out at break even. You will not lose anything if this market retraces. So the benefit of this strategy of managing your trade is that you have taken out a portion of your profit and you have moved your stop loss to break even. That is to say that you are no longer exposed to any risk in this market. Should anything happen, you are not going to lose money. Okay? You have taken some partial profits. So even if this market pulls back to entry price, it will hit your stop loss above your entry price and you're not going to lose anything again. But you've ended up booking some profits, guys. This is how to manage your trade, okay? I hope you guys understand this. So what that means that you are taking away this stop loss completely. You've taken away this stop loss completely from the market. So you only have this now, okay? The profit target section. You've taken away what? You've taken away profit stop loss or risk from the table. You've taken away risk from this trade completely away from the table. All right, so guys, that is how you manage your trade, your running trade. The strategy, the essence of this strategy is that you don't want to give back some profits you've already made to the market. You want to lock in some profits, okay? You want to take out some profits from the table, okay? From what you've already made, you want to take out some profit and book the profit. You want to book some profits from your existing profits you've made, okay? Then you want the top benefit of this strategy is that you want to now trail your stop loss by moving it slightly above your entry price. That way, you have removed risk completely away from this market. You can see what is happening in this market. This market has started pulling back. Have you seen it? If you look at the time now, you see that the New York session has closed. So the Sydney session has just opened. And is in the Sydney session, liquidity is very, very low. Okay, so look at what happened. The price has pulled back. Okay, you can see that your profit level has reduced. So if you have not taken out some profits, you see how you would have lost some money. You see how you would have lost some money. So even if this market comes back now and hit your what? And hit your stop loss here, you are not losing anything in this market. Okay. Another thing is that some people try to close their trade before the end of New York session. Some people trade only New York session, London session. So another option we had here is that we could have still closed this market before the close of New York session. And look at what happened now. Because we left this market running, look at what happened now. The market has pulled back and we have lost some money. From $20 plus, we have now dropped down to $10 plus. So imagine if we didn't close a portion of our trade, if we didn't book some partial profit, imagine we would have given back some profit we've made to the market, which is not a good trading strategy. Okay, so guys, these are practical lessons, real life lessons I've succeeded in teaching us in this video. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope everything I've explained here helps. If there is anything you want to know that is not clear to you, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Okay, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Okay, turn on the notification button so that anytime I release wonderful videos like this, the YouTube algorithm will notify you. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.